Tired of remembering random numbers in your code? The Enum is the right solution for you. Stick until the end and find why. Hello coders, welcome to my channel. I am David, your guide for mastering programming. Enum is short for enumerate. It's a way to define name constant values. To create an enum, you must import from enum module enum class. And now, like with ABC, you need to create, for example, a class, level, and inherit from enum class. Now, for example, you very often in programming have a situation where you want to remember something with numbers. For example, you want your easy mode to have value 1 and your medium difficulty to have a value 2 or hard to have value 3 or something. It doesn't matter. In that cases, enum is the perfect solution for you and is used very often. Medium and hard to be 3. With enum, you can get the name level.easy. I mean, not the name, but you will see what you will get, and you can get just the name. Also, you can get just the value. Now, when I print this, as you can see, level.easy is printed. With this, you literally get the whole thing. You get the class and the attribute as well. But if you want just the name, you need to write dot name. But if you want the value, then you need to write dot value. Important thing to mention is that enums are immutable. Therefore, they are a safer choice to use than regular variables because you could easily use just easy to be equal to 1, medium to be equal to 2, and hard to be equal to 3, and use that. But in your code, maybe you confuse something or you forget something and you accidentally change the value of hard to 4 and everything breaks. But the enum ensures that this hard, when first is created and initialized, it can't be changed ever again. Also, interesting is that you can iterate through this level as if it's a iterable. For example, you can write for I in level, and here you can print I, and you will see that this I will print me level easy, level medium, and level hard. Level easy, level medium, and level hard is printed, just how I told you. With enums, you can use comparison. That's one of the reasons why they're used. You can simply compare if level dot easy is, I don't know, 2, 1. Let's be true. Print true. You will see that this will return me true. No, it won't. Why? Because I need to get the value. So I need to write dot value. Now it will give me true. As you can see, true. There are some other cool features that I want to show you, and one is auto function. Auto function populates your enum automatically. For example, you may forget and write medium hard to be equal to 3 as well, and this could make you a problem. But if you write here auto, this auto function will populate the code for you. And you will see that this will work. But first, I need to import that function from the enum module. By default, auto starts from value 1, and it goes on. As you can see, it again prints true, which means that level easy indeed has value. Another cool feature is you can also prevent the mistake from before. If you want to know the exact values, With auto, you won't know the exact values until you print them, but in some cases, in most of the cases, you want to know them. But still, you want to prevent the previous mistake of some other level to have the same value as one before. You can simply write a class decorator unique, and now this will ensure that you don't have any duplicates. For example, hard, I will call it hard 2 to have value 3. Now when I run this, you will see that there will be an error. But another important thing to mention is that this unique class decorator also has to be imported from the Enum library. Very shortly, I will talk about class decorators because classes they can have their own decorators as well, like functions. Now when I run this, you will see an error. Value error. Duplicate values found in enum level. Hard, hard. It also tells you which value variable names are duplicated. And now you can fix this and write here 4 and everything will work. True is printed again. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more coding content. See you in my next video. Until then, keep coding.